Disclaimer: the activities shown in this video are performed by professionals or individuals with significant experience. Attempting these activities without proper training, equipment, and safety measures can result in serious injury. Always prioritize safety, use appropriate protective gear, and consult with a professional if you are unsure about any procedures. The creator of this video is not responsible for any injuries or damages incurred while attempting to replicate the activities shown. Proceed at your own risk.
What's good, people? How you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back at me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the replace the blower motor.
Oh my god.
Alright, the fan in this 2010 Honda Odyssey. Let's get it.
Yeah.
We're just gonna pull it down. Just right there. Those are clips. Don't worry about it. That's the baby right there. Let's see. This is like a clip. There's one, the connector. We have like a few screws over here. One. I have to disconnect this one too. This clip over here. Like so. This one too. It's on the way. This guy too. This one. Gucci. This clip. Now the connector. Just squeeze it here. Pull it down. Alright, should be good now. One screw here. Another one here. Another one here. Pretty much. This cable to the side. The new one, the old one. Is that a nut? Pulse.
Alright guys, and this is it. The same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. Alright. Thank you for watching. You know where to find me. It's me, Astu, Burum, Clack now. Yeah.